So I'll let you see how I attach my wiring harnesses on aerox. The connector for the ignition, it runs like this. Then we have automatic choke. There's no oil reservoir, so no need for these. Starter motor connected. Connectors for the starter relay, fuse, and for the battery. When I go around like this, cable for the lights like this, and as you can see, the wires are coming from here around the frame and like this, nice and tight, everything connected. And you will notice that the big connector for the original dashboard is gone. That's correct. When I get a customer with a sports handlebar, I remove the big one to make more space to work neater. And like that, you have just these three left, and of course the main connector for the switches. So when I connect everything, I do them together. This one I bend around, and the blinker relay I place in here like this. When I connect the others, I place them just beneath the cooling reservoir, and like that you have a nice and clean wiring harness and finishing.